Africa. Thank you for your time. Now, a court in Nyeri has this morning released 2 suspects accused of being part of a larger gang operating in Nyeri by dragging their victims before stealing valuable items from them on a 500,000 shilling bond and a surety of the same with no option of a cash bail. The proverbial 40 days of the 2, Rita Achieng and Caroline Njeri, arrived. They are accused of stealing from 2 men who were dragged this past weekend. Daniel Karaoke has more.
All right, 2 of the suspects were arraigned this morning and have been released on a bond of 500,000 shillings and surety of the same amount with no cash bail. The mention will be on the 16th of April 2021, and this is how the proceedings went on here at the Nyeri Court.
So huyu mwenzenu Caroline mnasema ako kudi yenu ya uhalifu? No, mnafanya hii mambo na yeye? Okay, yes, it will be, you'll be given time, You'll be given time to explain, You'll be given time to explain, when the case is for hearing. So we'll not give you cash bail as per now, but we shall keep reviewing. But in the meantime, each of the accused on a bond of 500,000 with one surety of the same amount. 500,000. 500. Half a million, Okay? Give us a mention date. So you'll come here on 16th of April for your 16th then.
Of course, it's a topic, or rather it's a story that we are going to follow up to know how it's going to be, how it's going to end, with this in mind that it is these suspects are some of those who have been going on, who have been having these kind of actions here in Nyeri County, and also following up to see if more suspects will be arraigned in the near future. But for now, I take it back to studio.
And let's get some